In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeat event every 2 weeks in Google Calendar. If you've ever needed a meeting, class, or reminder that happens every other week, setting it up correctly from the start saves time and keeps your schedule consistent. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so it works perfectly and looks clean on your calendar. First, open Google Calendar. On the web, look for the Create button near the top left and choose Event. This opens a fresh event window where you'll enter the details. Taking a moment to set everything now will make the repeating pattern accurate and easy to recognize later. Add a clear title, along with the time and date. The title should quickly tell you what the event is about when you glance at your calendar. Set the start time and the date of the very first occurrence. That first date acts as the anchor for the entire series, so pick the actual start day you want the 2-week pattern to follow. Next, find the drop-down that says Does Not Repeat. This is usually near the date and time fields. Click it to open your repeat options. You'll see common choices like daily or weekly. But for a bi-weekly schedule, choose Custom. This is where you can define an every other week rhythm. In the Custom Repeat panel, set repeat every 2 weeks. That too tells Google Calendar to place the next event exactly 2 weeks after the first one, and then continue that cycle. If your event should always happen on particular days, select the day or days of the week for the event. For example, if your first meeting is on a Tuesday and you want it every other Tuesday, make sure Tuesday is selected. If your series needs multiple days every 2 weeks, choose those days here as well. This keeps your pattern precise and avoids manual fixes later. When you are satisfied with the repeat pattern, click Done to confirm your custom settings. Give everything a quick review to ensure the title, time, and the first date are correct, since those guide the full series. Finally, click Save. Your event will now appear on your calendar and automatically repeat every 2 weeks based on the options you chose. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable bi-weekly event without extra work each time. If something changes later, you can always open the event and adjust it. But for now, your every 2 week schedule is set and ready to go. Thanks for watching.